Hi and welcome back to another video. In this one I am going to be doing a haul from a recent exhibition show that I went to. It was the Knitting and Stitching show. It was at Alexandra Palace and basically it's anything sewing, craft related, so more like textile based crafts. And there's lots of shopping that you can be done. They also do workshops, there's speakers there, there's like fashion shows and stuff as well. So yeah, really good event. But yeah, me and my mum went and we had an absolutely fantastic day and we spent lots of money. So this is what I got at the Knitting and Stitching show. Let's get into it. I'll start with the fabrics that I found. So this fabric was a fab find because it actually goes with a couple of bits in the girls' room. The bits are from a company called Cam Cam, which is a Danish brand. But yeah, we basically came across the company that supplies them with the fabric and they had obviously this left over and yeah, I bought it. And there is 3.2 meters here, but also it is 2.7 meters wide, which you never come, well, you barely ever come across when you're looking for fabric. So most fabrics are normally 1.3 to 1.5 meters wide. So yeah, to get some fabric that's 2.7 meters wide is fab. I think I've got an idea for this. Basically I've bought a den frame for the girls for Christmas. One of these frames here from Hobbycraft. It was on offer. I think I got it for just over £15, so absolutely bargain. So I'm just going to make some like sort of sheets that they can sort of drape over it and stuff, so they can make little dens and stuff with this. And also perfect that it goes with the bits in her room already. And also I think it was maybe £20 as well. So absolutely fantastic buy. And then also from that store I picked up this fabric, which is like a nice double gauze, which is lovely, so it's probably make some dresses or something for the girls. And it's 2 meters long and it's 2 meters wide as well, so again super wide fabric, which is so unusual to come across. And it was £18. Yeah, it's got these really cute little lemons on it. And then the next lot of fabric, which I got from one store, it was a company called I want to say they're called Rainbow Fabrics. I'll link their website down below if I can find them. They were sort of selling dead stock fabrics and stuff, and yeah, one of them that I picked up was this. I just love the colours in it, so fab. So yeah, this is kind of like a cotton sateen, I'd say, but yeah, it's definitely cotton. But again this fabric is 2.7 meters wide. So again, a super wide fabric and 3.4 meters long. And I think I paid £30. I think they did it £10 a metre. That was one lot from there. And then I've got this one, which is more of a crepe, but I just thought that was really lovely. Again, this was £10 a metre. It is standard width fabric, this one. We picked up this one as well, which is a lovely 100% silk fabric in this gorgeous teal greeny colour. One of my favourite colours this is at the moment. I bought 2 meters of this. I think it was, I want to say £10. It might have been £8 though. Maybe it was £8, but yeah, it was a steal. The last bit of fabric that I bought from that store is this sort of woodland theme fabric. This is 100% cotton as well. This was £5 a metre. Bought 2 meters of this and I think I'm going to make some dresses for the girls out of this. So the next thing that I got was some bits from a needle felting stall. I do love a little bit of needle felting. It's a very good stress buster. So yeah, I've got a little kit from there, which is this little toadstool, which is so cute. It's got everything in there that you need to make the toadstool. But then also I've got 2 books from them as well. I've got this one, which is got loads of little fairies in it. This has given me some inspiration for Christmas, I think. Do some little fairies to hang on the Christmas trees. But yeah, look, they're just so cute. It's also got like little frogs in there as well, how to do that. Water fairies. Yeah, there's some really cute bits in there. And then the other book is this one, and this one's kind of based around the seasons, which is so cute. So yeah, we've got spring with different little animals. Yeah, summer. Then we've got autumn vibes going on. And then we've got some winter vibes going on. So yeah, really pleased with the book. and definitely given me some inspiration for some Christmas decorations as well. So this lot was from a company called The Makers. So the kit was £22. I actually can't remember how much the books were. I think I probably got them on offer because they bought 2, but on the back it does say that they were £17 each, but I'm sure with most books you can normally get them cheap off Amazon and stuff, but yeah, I think I probably bought them on a deal with that one. And then the next few bits that I got were from a company called Daisy and Grace. So I picked up this little sewing kit, which is what I'm going to be making the girls one each for their Christmas presents. So the kit came with all the fabrics that you need, but I'm making 2, so I've kind of dug into my fabric stash so I can make 2. So yeah, I'm in the midst of making this at the moment, and yeah, really enjoying making it. It's taken me a little while, but I think that's because I'm not used to making things like this. Normally I'm making dresses or homeware sort of stuff, so yeah, it is taking me a little bit longer than what I kind of expect. I also picked up a Fats Quartz bundle from them, and then I also got quite a few dress patterns as well. So when you go to like a sewing exhibition like the Knitting and Stitching show, most patterns do, well actually all of them do, they have samples made up, which is really good because then you can actually see like how it's constructed and stuff as well. There's a pattern company called the Trends pattern, and they actually do some really nice patterns. Between me and my mum we actually got 3, but my mum's got the other one and I've got these 2. We picked up this coat which has some awesome sleeves on it, and I have got some boiled wool fabric that I've had for a little while so I can make that. We also picked up this dress pattern which has got so much detail in like the shoulders and on the bodice. I think this would be a really cool dress to make. I can't actually remember how much these were. I think they might have been around about the £15 mark, but then I think we got a deal if we bought 3, so yeah, but I'm sure they're about the £15 mark. I got 2 dress patterns from Sew Over It. This is one of their new patterns, so it's a pinafore dress, but I really liked this version here with the sort of notches on it, so yeah, need to make that one. And they had a deal on their patterns. I think there were 2 for £20, I think, so I got the ultimate culottes as well. When I do make these, I think I might do them full length rather than culotte length, because I think they're going to give some nice wide leg trouser vibe with those, so yeah. And then the last pattern that I picked up was this one, which is from a company called EmporiaPatterns. Actually, I've never heard of them, but they had quite a nice selection of sewing patterns, and one of the girls on the stall was wearing this, and then they'd put a extra like gathered panel at the bottom, and it looked really lovely. It looks like quite a nice simple pattern to make. It's like a faux wrap, and it's for jersey type fabrics, and it's got grown on sleeves as well. Actually, I'll show you the line drawing on the back. So yeah, looks like it'll be a nice simple dress to make. And that was everything that I bought at the Knit and Stitch show. My mum did buy quite a few bits as well. Yeah, we spent a reasonable amount of money, but we only go to these things maybe once or twice a year, so yeah. But yeah, we had a really good day. Definitely recommend the Knitting and Stitching show. Yeah, it's definitely one of the better sort of sewing exhibitions, I think. And then they also do one in March which is called the Stitch Festival. Yeah, let me know if you like these sort of videos, and if you do as well, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.